In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag and drop images into drawio. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to place images on your diagram, which file types work best, how to adjust them once they're on the canvas, and a reliable menu option if dragging isn't available. First, open draw.io in your browser. If you're prompted to choose where to store your diagram, pick the option that fits your workflow, then create a new blank canvas or open an existing one. Keeping the canvas visible alongside your file explorer will make dragging and dropping much easier. To place an image directly, find the image on your computer, then click and drag it into the canvas. As you hover over the diagram, you'll see where it will land. Release the mouse, and the image appears exactly where you dropped it. If the image is large, it may auto-scale to fit. You can always zoom out or in to get the view you want. This method is quick, intuitive, and ideal for building visuals without breaking your flow. Draw.io supports common formats, including PNG, JPEG, SVG, and GIF. PNG is great for transparent backgrounds, JPEG works well for photos, and SVG is vector-based, so it stays crisp when you scale it. GIFs are also accepted, making it easy to bring in simple illustrations or icons in whichever format you already have. Once your image is on the canvas, you can treat it like any other shape. Click to select it, then drag a corner handle to resize while keeping proportions natural. Use the side handles if you need a more specific stretch. A small circular handle lets you rotate the image. To move it, just drag from the middle. Smart guides will appear to help you align with other elements. If the image overlaps shapes, you can adjust its order later using the arrange options so everything stacks as intended. You can also bring images straight from the web. In most modern browsers, you can click and drag an image directly into Draw.io without saving it first. Make sure you're dragging the actual image and not a link preview. Some sites may block this. If you notice it won't drop, there's an alternative. If dragging isn't available or you prefer a menu-driven approach, go to Arrange, then Insert, then Image, or click the plus icon in the toolbar and choose Image. Select your file and insert it onto the canvas, then position and edit it just like before. That's it. Simple, reliable ways to add images to your diagrams in Draw.io.